Oh, hello!
Oh no! A monster is chasing me! Guys, I hope it doesn't eat me! I think I need to take that turn.
Help me! Help me!
Metro, don't worry. I'll definitely save you. Friends, it'll be hard for me to do this without your support.
Oh my God! Help me! Help me! Oh, hello! Wow! Yes! 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 Yes!
Nice.
Good job! Go, 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 go! Oh, hello!
Oh no! This zombie robot is following us again!
How can we escape now? Let's hide from him here.
Huh? Oh my God!
The zombie ate fast! We need to leave here! I'll avenge you in a heartbreaking way!
Help me!
They're already catching up with me! What should I do? Wow! It seems like my friend is there! Hello, Mark! Will you help me with a zombie?
I'll spare you.
I have to help me destroy these monsters! It seems like a Rico there! He'll help me!
I'm always happy to help you, Jack. Take care of yourself.
Chew! Saved me! Rico! Thank you! Wow! How are you on time, friend? I need to help again! He's coming now to kill us! We need to destroy him! Thank you, Rico! You saved me today! Let me give you some fresh engine oil!
I wouldn't say no now. Let's go.
Oh, hello! Help me!
Oh my God!
Woo!
Stop!
Oh my God, who the hell? NANI? Help me! Help me!
Mater, come here now. I need your help.
No, God! Oh my God! Wow!
I'm McQueen. I'm here already.
Wow.
Thanks to Metro, I can go on.
Oh my God!
Hello, McQueen. I came to your aid to end them once and for all.
Thanks, friends alone, I couldn't handle all the zombies.
Oh my God!
Zombies attacked our city again.
Don't worry about McQueen. We can handle them.
Let's try to hide from him here.
OH! No, McQueen, I'll definitely avenge you! I'll destroy you all! Oh no! What happened to the McVee? I need to get rid of these monsters somehow!
You die.
I think I see King. He'll help me! We need to destroy one zombie!
No, God! No, God, please, no! No!
This zombie is defeated. He's no longer dangerous to the city.
I'm grateful to you, Ben! Now it'll be easier for me to destroy the rest of the zombies! Bet they're almost catching up with me! We need to figure out how to destroy monsters! Wow, Sheriff! Help me destroy these zombies! They attacked our city!
Jack is ready. This zombie is destroyed.
Great Sheriff! Thank you!
Yeah!
There's a cliff! I'll try to jump it! I beat the stupid zombie and our city is now in no danger!
Oh my God! Help me!
A huge zombie robot is following us, oh no.
McQueen, come on here.
Yes!
Oh no, my buddy got infected. I need the help.
Oh my God!
Who is this? I'm not doing anything with them. Oh my God! Wow! Oh no, what am I supposed to do with the other zombies? Oh, hello, King. Help me!
Yeah, boy.
I got through one of them a McQueen.
Yeah, boy!
I need a Matro. I can't do without him. Oh no, there's a dead end here. Matro, to help.
Oh my.
Step away from the McQueen. I'm shooting.
Whoa, two at once. It was cool.
Glad to help the McQueen.